So guys, we're still here at DJ Bigboy Cheng's house and I'm trying to do a top 10 best Air Jordans that I could pick inside this house. So let's go! Guys, there's so many Jordans here inside DJ Bigboy Cheng's collection. And it's very hard to choose which one do I like the most. But probably at my number 10 is this Air Jordan 11 Snakeskin Unreleased. So this is in a light bone colorway. Very nice. I have the low cut version of these, which is actually in some of the outlets already. But the high cut version, really insane. So guys, at number 9, I have the Air Jordan 1 Band. As you can see, the Breads colorway with the X at the back. This is one of the sneakers that I really love. Who won't like these guys? Just look at it. So beautiful. With the X at the back. Definitely, it's gonna be on my top 10 best Jordans here in this collection. One of the most rarest Air Jordan 1s. Rust pink. Most of you would not agree, but probably this is my number 8. This is one of the rarest Air Jordans. These are the rust pink, which was released in Miami. So yeah, number 8. Number 7 for me are these. These are the Jordan 11 Space Jams. I love this colorway. This is probably this and the Concords are my most favorite Air Jordans ever. So yeah. Jordan One Fragments. Wow. Another one expensive sneaker. Next sneaker is this one. This is the Air Jordan 1 Fragments. So yeah, this is definitely a very nice sneakers. I love them. I love the blue, the black, the white. Definitely one of my favorite sneakers. This is definitely one of the rarest Jordans available. So these are the undefeated Jordan 4s. Definitely should be in anyone's top 10 collection. Guys, this Jordan 4 M Ms probably the most expensive Air Jordan available. I'm not really sure though, but definitely one of the most rarest one because this was not actually released. Definitely this should be on my top 10. These Wahlburgers should also be in my top 10 because look at that. Look at the green. The green color of this one. It's really nice, guys. Wahlburger, part of my top 10. Another one that should be part of my top 10 is definitely this sneakers, Jordan 5 Fear. Wow, these are really nice, guys. Jordan 5 Fear. Jordan 5 Tokyos, guys. Look at that yellow, bright yellow with extra laces. Definitely another sneakers that will be in my top 10. This is probably one of my favorite Jordans and one of my dream Jordans ever. These are the Air Jordan 1 Off-White Chicago colorway. Definitely this is my grail. These sneakers are probably one of the sneakers that I will really save on. Holding it in my hand, wow. These are really nice, guys. So definitely deserving of my top 10. So guys, this is another very rare Air Jordan. These are the Air Jordan Kawhi Leonard. Especially now that Kawhi Leonard is no longer with Jordan brand. So look at this, guys, silver. I've never seen any sneakers like this before, and you have 2014 there because Kawhi Leonard was the MVP during that finals. One of the sneakers that I really love. Of course, my top 10 will not be complete without the Concords. This is one of my favorite sneakers of all time, even though the price of these sneakers is not that expensive anymore. But yeah, definitely this is one of my favorite Jordans ever. These are the Jordan 4 Carhartt M Ms. So yeah, look at that, guys. This is definitely another sneakers I don't dream of owning. Just looking at it, I'm good already because I'm sure I will never own a pair of these. But yeah, look at that, man. All black Carhartt M Ms definitely suiting for my top 10. Guys, there's so many Jordans here. I think I already chose more than 10. But this is another one. This is Jordan 4 COS. So as you can see, 2 X's at the back. Very nice suede material and leather. Definitely part of my top 10. Another sneakers that I love is definitely this one. Not for resale, the yellow colorway, not the red one, because this is more rare. So yeah, definitely another one that will be part of my top 10. Guys, I think I already chose more than 10. Another one, Friends and Family Travis Scott in purple colorway. I think it's gonna be top 20 already. Jordan 1 Unions, guys. Who doesn't love these? Especially this colorway. I love this colorway. I like the yellow, I like the blue, I like the red, I like the black, definitely. I'm having a hard time choosing my top 10. Yeah, like what I said, I think I'm gonna shoot like at least 20 Jordans that I see, and then I'll choose later on when I'm editing this video. Guys, I haven't even started with the Travis Scotts. This is one of my all-time favorites as well, and definitely, most likely, this will be the sneaker of the year. Travis Scott ones, yeah. Reverse swoosh. I love reverse swoosh. It's not part of my top 10 or top 20, but definitely honorable mention. The Jordan 1 lows. Very nice. Now I've seen the other Friends and Family of the Travis Scott Force. So these are actually, it's like brown. It's not olive. It's like brown, suede brown. But definitely very nice sneakers, guys. A lot of heat. Now this one is a very rare sneaker. I think this is the only pair around. Look at that. Travis Scott with cactus around it. No, these are actually custom sneakers by Shoe Surgeon, which he gave to DJ Bigboy Cheng. Look at that, guys. Look at the details. This is so amazing. Details of these sneakers. Another honorable mention will be this Jordan 6 Travis Scott with yellow laces. This Jordan 5 Dornbecker is also nice. It's like patent leather, but yeah, definitely very nice sneakers, part of DJ Bigboy Cheng's collection. What I have here is another rare sneakers. These are the Art Basel collaboration. I forgot the exact name, but definitely look at the patent leather, guys. It's really shiny. Definitely another Jordan. Actually, I should have just picked top 10 Jordan ones, and it would have been more easier. But yeah, seeing all these Jordans in DJ Bigboy Cheng's house is really insane. Look at this. Wow. Another one, Jordan One Satin. Look at that. Wow. This is the first time I'm seeing this, and look at that. It's like, looks like really nice premium satin material that was used. Definitely this should be part of my top Jordans. This is gonna be top Jordans. It's not only 10. We're not doing 10 now. We're doing top Jordans that I see. So guys, this is another Air Jordan 1. Yes, another Art Basel collection. Another this is a Miami colorway, part of the Art Basel collection. Another rare sneakers, Jordan 1. Nice. So these are the Jordan 11 Snakeskin, pink but the high cut version. I have the low cut version, but that's not as expensive as these because these are like unreleased. Oregon Jordan 3s, very rare. Jordan 5 Supreme, Camo. These are the Jordan 2 Justin Timberlake. Michigan PEs, Jordan 3s. These are the Trophy Room, Jordan 5. Jordan 5 Tokyos, guys. Ooh. Jordan 5 Tokyos, definitely one of the best sneakers that we have here. If I'm not mistaken, these are the most expensive Air Jordans. M Ms. These are definitely my grails. These are the Air Jordan 1 Off-White Chicagos. Ooh. a lot of heat inside this house, guys. So guys, I'm having really a hard time choosing which sneakers to be on my top 10. So why don't you guys help me? Please comment on the comment section down below the top 10 sneakers based on all the Jordans that I've shown you from DJ Bigboy Cheng's collection. Before we end this video, let me remind you that we have an ongoing giveaway. We're giving away a sneaker of your choice in your shoe size, but not coming from this collection. Anyway, please check out the comment section down below. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.